Today we talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Reming app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign here, you click on it. So when you just click on here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on app integrations here. Just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then here can you connect here with the app integrations here in this list here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.